I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new Capcut project and importing the visuals you'll use. Once done, set the aspect ratio to match your platform and arrange clips roughly in timeline order. Next, paste or import the script text for TTS and pick the target language and voice style so timing matches visuals. Make sure background music is ready at lower volume. This step primes everything so recording and timing are efficient when you generate the TTS. Now generate the speech by pasting your script into Capcut's TTS tool in short paragraphs. This prevents robotic runs and gives natural pauses. You should tweak speed and pitch on each chunk, previewing until pacing feels conversational. Once satisfied, export or place each TTS clip onto the timeline and use small trims and nudges to sync with cuts and on-screen text. Also add short fades and micro pauses to match visual transitions so speech and imagery feel cohesive. Finish by balancing audio. Lower music relative to voice and apply a light EQ to clarify mids. Once levels are set, add subtitles or captions for clarity and export using the codec and resolution your platform requires. If you notice timing or pronunciation issues, regenerate only the problematic TTS chunks with revised punctuation or split lines differently, then resync those clips. One key troubleshooting tip. If alignment drifts after export, recheck frame rate settings and re-export at the project's native frame rate to preserve timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.